Each year, nearly every adult in the nation is faced with the daunting task of determining whether they will owe taxes or receive a refund. Since taxes have become an ever-increasing part of the family's budget, they receive a lot of attention, making knowledgeable tax professionals some of the most sought-after individuals in the United States today. Would you like to become a professional in a field that is in great demand, a profession that will give you more time, more income, and more freedom to enjoy your life? Then learn how to become a professional tax preparer. As the tax laws continue to increase in complexity, individuals that have done their own taxes are now looking for someone to help them. They're looking for you. Each year, income tax preparers are finding that their clientele has grown significantly compared to the previous year, with virtually no additional marketing on their part. One professional tax practitioner stated that her revenues jumped more than 70% in one tax season alone. Currently, half of all tax returns are prepared by professional tax specialists, and this translates into a tremendous opportunity for you as you build your own profitable tax preparation service. As the demand increases, so does the financial opportunity. Some tax preparers earn enough through the tax season alone to be able to provide the income they need for the rest of the year. Just as an example, one such individual explained that she billed more than $112,000 during one tax season. As a bonus, you'll soon discover a valuable benefit for you in becoming educated in tax laws. By expanding your individual knowledge in the application of tax laws, you can ensure that you are legally taking advantage of the deductions the laws permit. And this knowledge can save you thousands of dollars in your own personal and business income taxes after you have learned how to use it. Whether you're interested in supplementing your existing income with part-time work on weekends or evenings, or using this as your primary source of income, a professional tax service can provide the means for you to reach your goals. Now, it's been said that every family would benefit from having 3 professions somewhere within their family tree: a medical professional, a computer expert, and of course, a competent tax preparer. After becoming a knowledgeable tax professional, your family and friends will seek you out. Universal Accounting Center specializes in providing the expert education in the field of tax preparation and accounting. Universal has been training professionals in these fields since 1979. Their courses are uniquely geared for the entrepreneur and provide practical, hands-on training throughout each and every session. Now, if you're interested in becoming an income tax specialist, Universal's Professional Tax Preparer program is the perfect course for you. You'll learn the complete process for preparing income taxes for both individuals and businesses. And in addition, you'll learn the steps to creating your own successful tax preparation service. The first module contains instruction that will prepare you to complete the tax returns for a majority of taxpayers. Module 2 shares concepts and strategies that will ensure the client legally pays the lowest possible amount of taxes. Included are legitimate reductions in income that can save thousands of dollars on tax returns. You'll understand how and where to take various tax credits, which could result in much larger returns. It wraps up the discussion on 1040 preparation by discussing alternative minimum tax, extensions, tax payments, and amended returns. The next module. This one introduces you to the lucrative and highly needed field of business returns. You'll learn the various types of business forms and the tax forms that service them. You'll become knowledgeable regarding sole proprietorships, partnerships, limited liability companies, C corporations, S corporations, and personal service corporations. With each of these different types of structures, you'll learn what makes them unique and discover various tax advantages and disadvantages. With the Professional Tax Preparer program, you'll understand where to find the information to complete the return, as well as other special issues regarding taxation of these entities. It provides practical experience in completing each of the returns needed for different business entities. This will include Schedule C, Form 1065, Form 1120, and Form 1120S. As you complete each module, you'll take the online test that accompanies the current material. This test will prove that you understand the material and are ready to move on. The last module is for the individual that wants to successfully build a profitable tax practice. This module will show you just how to get started with 9 effective, inexpensive, and proven marketing strategies. You'll also learn how to interview clients effectively and how to charge a fee that will generate the income you deserve. It is complete with marketing materials that you can use immediately to find clients. After completing all modules, you'll want to take the Professional Tax Preparer's final exam. This is a random sample of questions from throughout the course. A completion score of 90% or better will designate you as a professional tax preparer. Many like to place the designation PTP after their name or use the PTP logo on their business card to identify themselves as masters of both individual and business returns. To assist you in becoming the tax expert, each session within the Professional Tax Preparer program ends with useful tips. These tax-busting strategies will ensure that you and your clients are not paying $1 more in taxes than need be. Many of these tips have the potential of saving a taxpayer the entire cost of this program. When you understand these strategies, you're better equipped to provide the type of quality, professional tax preparation and consulting services that every individual needs. Universal Accounting Center is committed to your success. To prove this, we offer you the support you need. You'll have access to tax specialists who can answer your questions. We want to give you the best possible support in order for you to succeed. Now, we know you'll love the program. And to make this offer even better, Universal has a 100% money-back guarantee. If, after completing the course, you are not fully satisfied, return the course to Universal for a full refund of any monies paid. Our guarantee makes this one of the only risk-free opportunities you'll ever be lucky enough to find. Also, student financing programs exist, regardless of your current credit history. It just can't be any easier. To take full advantage of this great opportunity and become a professional tax preparer, go to the website on the screen and find out how you can get started today. Now listen to what some of our graduates have said about their Universal Accounting Center experience.
I have really enjoyed the flexibility of being self-employed.
I got started in my own business with Universal Accounting courses.
The freedoms of owning your own business, the freedoms of being able to spend the time with my children while they're young, it is something that you can't even put a price on.
Use the Universal course. They're going to take you step by step. They're going to be there for you at all times, and that's what you need as you're going through, this starting your own business.
I felt very motivated after I took the course. I mean, I was just really ready to go out there. I felt like I had the tools to go out there and do this kind of business.
It gives you the full aspect of everything you're going to need to do to start your own business or grow your own business if you're already involved.
The course material is very well written and thought out. I still refer to my books all the time.
The Universal Accounting's follow-up support was excellent.
Universal has set up a support system that you can't beat.
A client would ask me something and I wasn't sure, and I never put it to them, well, I don't know. I always said, let me find out the information. And if I couldn't find the information on my own, I'd pick up the phone and call Universal Accounting, and there was somebody there to help me.
The staff at Universal Accounting is very helpful. They're knowledgeable. They practice what they teach. They are accountants.
You know that you're talking to somebody who is very knowledgeable in what they're talking about.
Knowledgeable, very professional, but very fun and a pleasure to be around, and just really enjoy them.
This is something that was going to give me more of what I felt I was deserving of versus what somebody else thought I was deserving of.
I have my own practice. I am also a tax accountant. I have numerous amounts of clients, and I really enjoy what I do. I mean, getting up in the morning is a fun thing because I really like what I do.
If you purchase in the next 7 days, you qualify for an extra reward. Call now to find out what additional learning materials are yours for deciding to act now. Universal Accounting Center can make your dreams come true. Call today to start down the path toward more income, more time, and more freedom. Remember, if it's about accounting, it's universal.